Hey guys, Jeremiah here again with Walser Buick GMC. Just wanted to make this quick video here showing you how to adjust your clock in the new GMC infotainment system for daylight savings time. Alrighty, and inside the vehicle here, I'm going to show you how to change your clock time for daylight savings time. It's pretty simple. So once you're in the vehicle and the vehicle is running, you're just going to want to click your clock button over here. You can see that it says 24-hour format, automatic time zone, and select time zone. You're going to want to make sure your vehicle is set to automatic time zone first, so that it's automatically going to select your time zone to your specific area. Otherwise, if you don't like that, you can manually select what time zone it's on by deselecting automatic time zone and selecting your time zone in your specific region. Also, if you prefer 24-hour format, you can also select that there as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope we were able to figure that out with you here on this video. If you weren't able to figure it out, please feel free to give us a call or check out our website. One of us will be happy to help you out.